Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, I just created a new JFrame for issue book where the admin or librarian issue a new book for the students or old book for the students. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to create a JFrame page for return book. So if you don't see my previous videos, just go to the description and check out the link. Close. Now we have to create a new JFrame first. So right click on this JFrame. Here we have to write return book. Okay, click on OK here. Now we have to set the size. Before setting size, we are going to properties here, and we're removing the min max or close button when it will execute it undecoded, uh, undecoded, and we also have setting the location to x 325 325 and y 125. Click on OK. Just close this, and after that we are going to increase the size 700 comma 450. Okay, close. Now we need here four labels: level 1, level 2, level 3, and the last one, level 4. First we need that book ID here, and the second we need a student ID. Okay, and the last second issue date. Okay, and here we are also taking the due date. Now we need four text field here: 1, 2, 3, 4. 200, 200, 200. Let me edit text. Remove this all. Remove. Okay. After that, we are changing the color of this properties. Changing the color to this one. Click on OK. We are also changing bold here, 14 size, and click on close. And we are also increasing the size of this and making them bold. Okay, bold 14. Okay, close. Now here we need buttons. The first button we are search here, putting a 1. Here we put in search, and we also need two more buttons here. The first one is for return. Here we are writing return, and here we are writing close. Okay, now here we are going to put icons in it. So click on properties. We are also making them bold 14. Click on OK. Color this one, and we need icons, so we need to import to the project. So here we are having a search. Click on finish. If you need this icon, just go to the description and check out. There's a link provided by us. Okay, so click on close. Now it's look good. For close, we are also doing the same. Click on bold 14. Okay. Color same as search button. Click on OK. And here we are putting an icon. Search. This one is for close. So red mark. Okay. Close. Now for the return, click on properties. We are making it bold 14, same. Okay. And the color is as same as others. Okay. And the icon, we are going to choose it, import to our this project. So return book png here. Click on finish. Okay. Close. Now it's look good. So here we are going to get book ID and student ID and going to search in our database, and here it will, when we click on the search button, it will display our issue date when we issued that book, and it will show our due date, then when that student have to return that book. So let me put a image first in the background. After that I'm going to code for backend. So here we are putting an icon here. We are selecting 1 2 3 4 5 6. Click on OK. Click on close. Okay. Now we have to write the codes for the search. So right click on this event action performed, and here we have to write the codes. Before writing code, first let me import the MySQL and java.sql and project package dot connection provider class. Okay. In the previous videos, I just explained you about my connection provider class. So if you don't seen that video, just go to the description and check out the link. So here we have to write the code for, we are taking this string here because it only search. So jtext field 1 dot get text string student ID j text field 2 dot get text. Okay. After that we have to write the try catch we are going to write exception. Okay. And here we have to write connection provider dot get connection. After that we have to write a statement st con dot create statement here, and after that we need result set rs st dot execute query. Okay. So here we have to select start from issue where, just minimize this later, issue book ID and student ID, okay, student ID, okay. Oh, this is showing error, student ID. Oh, at the end I don't write semicolons here, semicolon here. So if this one is fine, searches, then rs dot next, else it will show pop-up message G option pan dot show message. Here we are going to write null, and here we are going to write incorrect, correct, student ID or incorrect book ID. Okay, here we're displaying the message that something is wrong here. Okay, so we have to write the code for if condition. If that username and password has been found in our database, so we have to set text for our field 3. So rs dot get string. Okay, here we are writing 3 because in our database this one is 3. Okay, j text 4, text rs dot get string 4 here. Now you can see that it will successful, so we are setting our text field 1 and 2 to not editable mode so that it cannot be editable. So here we are writing false. Okay, for second we are also going to do same, going to set editable false, and here we are going in else condition we are going to write the code to refresh that page if book ID and student ID is incorrect. So here we are going to write set visibles false and new. Here we are going to return book dot set visible. Here we are going to write true. Okay, and for at the end we are going to book is, and if it will not, and if something else happen, it will not able to find in our database, then we have going to show that connection error, incorrect student ID. Here you can write book is not issued to this student. Okay, here we can write this. So we have to write the codes for return, like when it matches then it will, when we click on return. Okay, so here we have to write the codes for return. So here we are going to take the fields string. Here we are also taking book ID. Here we are going to take j text field 1 dot get text string student ID j text field 2 dot get text. Okay, After that, we have to write the try catch exception. We have to separate the exception that will show at compile time. So connection on connection provider dot get connection. Okay, now we have to create a statement, state dot con dot create statement, and we have to execute query here. Execute query here to update our database. Update issue set return book is yes. Okay, where actually I just we have to write this at the end. Also write this where student id equals to student id and book id okay, so it will show a pop-up message. So here we have to write this G option show message. Here we have to write message book successfully returned. Okay, it will show this message. After that, we are going to set visibles and simple words here. Sorry, set visibles here false and new visible here new return book dot set visible true. Okay, and at the end here we have to write catch. If something went wrong here, we are going to write connection error. Okay, now we have to write the codes for this at the end. Close event action performed. Here we have to write just set visible false, visible false. Okay, now we have to write this code return book, connect this JFrame to our return book event action performed. Let me check it out. Here we have to write set visible, we have to make visible, so we have to write new return book dot set visible true. Okay, now it's time to run this file. Our return book has been completed, return book part has been completed. So let me run this. It will take a little bit of time, so let me open my database first. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Use LMS library management system. Select star from issue. Okay, so here you can see that a book is issued for the book ID is 1, student ID is 1, and here you can see the date and return book status no. So let me return this book. When we click on return, oh, it's taking time. Here you can see that. First we are going to write this wrong user ID here, book ID, and here. So let me click on search. So here you can see that book is not issued to the student. Okay, so it will refresh. Now we have to write this 1 and 1. Let me click on search. Here you can see that issue date has been displayed in the issue date field, and due date when we have to return this book are displayed in due date field. And you can see that we cannot edit a student ID because it is said to be editable. So when we click on return, it will update our, okay, it's showing connection error. So let me check it out what happened. So let me check it out. Close, cut this. Yeah, we're going to write this. Here you can see that here is query. We need to write update. Okay, update here. Now let me run this. Run file. Let me click on return book. Here we are going to write this. Click on search. Click on return. Book successfully returned. Okay, click on OK. Let me check it out my database. Select start from issue. Here you can see that there is a status return book status is yes, book has been updated successfully returned. So this is all about return book. I hope you guys like this video. So please hit like and subscribe my channel. And in the next video, I'm going to create for the last. That one is my last video. In that video, I'm going to create for statics. It will show all about that which user, which student or user uh, issue book or which one is returned the book. So thank you.